Dear friend, as you reach your 60s, you may start to notice small changes in your body. Maybe standing up from a chair doesn't feel as quick or easy as it used to. Or perhaps your arms and legs don't feel as firm, even though your eating habits haven't changed. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. The truth is, millions of Americans over 60 are quietly facing a serious condition called age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in slowly year after year. At first, you might just feel a little weaker. Then, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even taking a walk around the house may start to feel more tiring. Even worse, muscle loss can make you more likely to fall. It can also slow down your recovery from injuries or illness. And over time, your overall quality of life, both physical and emotional, can take a real hit. But here's the important part. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. You can slow it down and even reverse it. And the best part? You don't need to go to the gym every day. You don't need to rely on complicated medications. You just need to start with something incredibly simple: choosing the right foods. That's right. What you eat every day can have a direct impact on your muscle health. It's not just about getting enough protein. It's also about getting the right mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, some of the most common fruits, ones you may have been eating your whole life, contain powerful compounds that support muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and naturally boost your physical strength. And in this article, I'm going to share with you 5 top fruits that science has shown can help wake up your aging muscles. They're easy to find, easy to eat, and absolutely delicious. Whether you already love fruit, or you're simply looking for a natural, no-stress way to feel stronger, this is something you won't want to miss. So take a few moments with me to discover these super fruits and how they can become your best allies in staying strong, flexible, and full of life after 60. Let's get started. 1. Why fruit helps fight age-related muscle loss. When we talk about muscle health, most people think of protein from meat, fish, eggs, or dairy. That's true, but it's not the whole story. In reality, keeping your body strong and your muscles flexible as you age takes more than just protein. And surprisingly, fruit, something we often see as just a simple snack, is an essential part of that equation. Let's explore why. 1. Fruit is rich in powerful antioxidants. As we get older, our bodies produce more free radicals. These molecules can damage our cells, including muscle cells. Over time, this damage leads to chronic inflammation and weakens key muscle groups. Fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with anthocyanins, polyphenol, and vitamin C. These natural antioxidants help neutralize free radicals. In turn, they protect muscles from degeneration and support the repair of muscle cells after activity. 2. Many fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals for muscle function. Muscles don't just need protein to stay strong. They need vitamin D to absorb calcium. They need magnesium to prevent cramping. They need potassium to keep electrolytes balanced and muscles running smoothly. You'll find all these nutrients in common fruits like bananas, avocados, oranges, kiwis, and watermelon. By choosing the right fruits, you're giving your body a built-in support system for maintaining muscle mass and strength. 3. Some plant compounds in fruit stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Here's something not many people know. Fruits can directly help trigger muscle-building processes. For example, apples contain a compound called ursolic acid. Research shows this compound may help stimulate protein synthesis in muscles and reduce muscle breakdown. That means just by eating apples regularly, you're helping your body protect and maintain muscle without needing medications. 4. Fruit supports digestion, which helps you absorb more nutrients. A healthy digestive system is key to absorbing the protein, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need. Papaya, pineapple, and kiwi contain natural enzymes that help break down protein more efficiently. When your digestion is working well, your body can fully absorb the raw materials it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. 5. Fruit helps manage weight and reduces chronic inflammation. Extra weight puts strain on your muscles and joints, and it also increases inflammation. Many fruits have a low glycemic index, are high in fiber, and help stabilize blood sugar. They help you feel full longer without causing weight gain. At the same time, they reduce low-grade inflammation, a key factor behind muscle loss over time. In summary, fruit is far more than just a sweet treat. It's a vital part of any diet aimed at preserving muscle and slowing down the aging process. With their powerful mix of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and unique plant compounds, fruits are your natural ally in keeping your muscles strong and your body agile even into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. 2. 5 fruits that help rebuild muscle and reverse muscle loss after age 60. Muscles are the foundation for nearly every daily activity, from getting out of bed in the morning, to carrying a grocery bag, to simply standing up from the sofa. But as we age, muscle mass naturally declines, and that can make even the simplest tasks feel harder. The good news is, some natural foods can help you gently and enjoyably fight back. And those foods are fruits. Let's explore 5 powerful fruits that have been scientifically proven to support muscle strength, promote cell repair, and improve your overall health after age 60. 1. Apples, a common fruit with surprising power. You might think of apples as just a light morning snack, or something to munch on during a walk. But apples are actually a superfruit for your muscles. The skin of apples contains a special compound called ursolic acid. Research has shown that ursolic acid can support muscle protein synthesis, slow down age-related muscle breakdown, and increase both muscle mass and strength. Apples are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These nutrients not only support the immune system, but also reduce inflammation, a silent factor behind ongoing muscle loss. You can enjoy apples raw, juiced, or sliced into your morning oatmeal. 1 apple a day may not just keep the doctor away. It may also help you stay active and flexible. 2. Bananas, a natural energy source for muscles. Bananas might be the easiest fruit to find, but their impact on muscle health is far from ordinary. Bananas are packed with potassium, an essential mineral that balances electrolytes in the body, prevents muscle cramps, and helps nerves send signals to your muscles. When your body is low in potassium, muscles can cramp or work less efficiently. For older adults, even mild dehydration or electrolyte imbalances can lead to more frequent muscle aches. Eating a banana before a light workout or morning walk can help you feel stronger and less sore afterward. Bananas also contain vitamin B6 and natural carbohydrates, which give you lasting energy, perfect for older adults who want to stay physically active. 3. Berries, tiny anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Small, sweet, and colorful. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are silent warriors protecting your body from aging damage. They are packed with polyphenol, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals that damage muscle cells, reduce chronic inflammation in muscle tissue, improve blood flow to muscles, speeding up recovery. If you often feel sore after physical activity, adding berries to your diet may significantly ease those aches. You can enjoy them with Greek yogurt for breakfast, in a smoothie, or tossed into a salad. They're not just delicious, they're like fresh fuel for your aging muscles. 4. Papaya, supporting digestion and nutrient absorption. Papaya is a tropical fruit often overlooked in the grocery store, but it's a valuable ally for digestion and muscle recovery. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down protein efficiently. This is especially important because better protein absorption means better muscle building. It also reduces bloating and discomfort after high-protein meals and helps your body recover faster after activity. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and beta-carotene, all of which strengthen the immune system and protect muscle tissue from damage. With its light sweetness and smooth texture, papaya is a perfect choice for older adults, as a post-meal treat or a gentle evening dessert. 5. Avocados, a healthy fat superfood. Avocados aren't just a favorite for clean eating fans. They're also a nutritional gold mine for preserving muscle after 60. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that support heart health and reduce inflammation, potassium and magnesium, which help stabilize blood pressure and support nerve function, and vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects muscle cells from aging. Avocados also enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all of which are crucial for bone and muscle health. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make avocados easy to enjoy with breakfast, in salads, or on whole grain toast. In summary, keeping your muscles strong doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By simply adding these familiar fruits, each packed with powerful nutrients, you're already taking daily steps to protect your muscle health. And most importantly, these fruits don't just support your body. They help you feel lighter, more relaxed, and more joyful, so you can truly enjoy each golden year with energy, mobility, and confidence in your strength. 3. Tips for using fruit to support muscle and healthy aging. Fruit isn't just delicious. It's an essential part of a balanced diet, especially for adults over 60. But not everyone knows how to combine fruits in a way that maximizes their benefits for muscle and overall health. Below are simple, practical tips to help you add fruit to your daily meals in a smart and effective way. 1. Start your morning with nutrient-rich fruits. Morning is a great time to wake up your body with fresh, energy-boosting fruits. You can try slicing bananas or apples into oatmeal, mixing strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries into plain yogurt, adding papaya or kiwi to a green smoothie. These combinations don't just taste good. They also provide antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for muscle health. Plus, eating fruit in the morning helps improve digestion and gives you steady energy to start the day right. 2. Turn fruit into a nutritious snack. You don't always need a full meal. Sometimes a small serving of fruit in the late morning or afternoon is enough to maintain your energy and protect your muscles from breakdown. Try this: a ripe banana with a handful of walnuts, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado and thin apple slices, a smoothie made with avocado and unsweetened plant-based milk. These snacks are easy to prepare and won't spike your blood sugar, which is especially important for older adults managing insulin levels. 3. Use fruit as dessert instead of sugary treats. After a meal, instead of cakes, pudding, or sugary desserts, choose a bowl of strawberries with Greek yogurt, chilled papaya sprinkled with chia seeds, apple slices dipped in unsalted almond butter. These healthy choices satisfy your sweet tooth while helping to reduce inflammation, support digestion, and provide the nutrients your muscles need for repair and maintenance. 4. Pair fruit with protein in main meals to support muscle building. One important tip many people overlook is this: you can include fruit in your main meals if you combine them well. For example, grilled chicken salad with avocado and strawberries, pan-seared salmon with mashed papaya sauce, brown rice topped with banana slices and unsalted roasted peanuts. These combos give you a balanced meal. Plenty of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Together, they provide your body with the raw materials needed to protect and rebuild key muscle groups. 5. Use frozen fruit when fresh options aren't available. During colder months or when shopping isn't convenient, frozen fruit is a great option. It retains most of its nutrients and is perfect for morning smoothies, slow-cooked oats, homemade fruit-based desserts. Just make sure to choose unsweetened varieties with no added preservatives. Frozen fruit is a reliable backup that helps you stay on track with a nutritious, muscle-friendly diet without the extra effort. These tips are not only simple, but also very flexible. You can adjust them to match your taste, schedule, and personal nutrition needs. The key is to make these small habits part of your daily routine, because muscle health doesn't come from one perfect meal, but from small, consistent, and smart choices over time. Conclusion: the right nutrition can transform life after 60. Dear friend, after everything we've covered, there is one thing I truly want you to remember. Your body still has the power to recover. Even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, even if you feel slower than you used to, even if waking up with aches in your back or knees has become your new normal, you can still do something to turn things around. And sometimes, it starts with something as simple as eating an apple a day, drinking a banana smoothie in the morning, or adding some avocado and greens to your lunch. You don't have to change everything all at once. Start small. Take one step at a time. Remember this: nutrition is a powerful tool in preventing and even reversing muscle loss due to aging, a condition known as sarcopenia. This isn't just about how your body looks or how toned your muscles are. It's about staying independent, being able to move freely, cook your meals, and care for yourself without needing help. Above all, it's about the quality of life you absolutely deserve at this stage. To give your body the support it needs, here are 3 things I encourage you to do every day. 1. Eat a variety of fresh fruits, especially those rich in potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and antioxidants like apples, bananas, berries, avocados, and papayas. 2. Pair your fruit with healthy sources of protein like eggs, beans, salmon, or Greek yogurt to help rebuild and preserve muscle mass. 3. Move your body gently for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. That could be walking, stretching, or doing age-appropriate yoga. And don't forget to get enough sleep. Deep, restful sleep is when your body heals and repairs your muscles most effectively. Lastly, if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't worry. You don't have to get it all perfect. You just need to begin. Pick a fruit you love. Add it to your breakfast tomorrow. From there, start building small, healthy habits, and you'll begin to see your body change. Your mind will feel brighter, and day by day, you'll feel like you're coming back to life stronger, freer, and more whole. So don't wait. Health doesn't wait for age. You absolutely deserve a strong body, a clear mind, and a meaningful life no matter your age. Start that journey today. For you, for your loved ones, and for a golden age that's fuller than ever before.